This video talks about the causes of sore throat, what you shouldn't do when you have sore throat, and how to treat sore throat at home. Sore throats are common ailments that can even make you lose your voice if it's too severe. Usually, sore throat is caused by an infection. Cold and flus are also common causes of sore throats. These home remedies should help you feel better whenever you are plagued. Honey. Honey coats the throat and soothes it. It's also used to help kill the bacteria that is causing the sore throat in the first place. You can eat honey however you like. You can use it in tea, but coupled with warm liquid often works better. However, you can also just eat a few spoonfuls on something or on its own. Lemon. Lemon is a great way to kill the bacteria that is causing the sore throat. You can chew on a lemon, but it's recommended that you use lemon in tea so that the hot liquid can also do some good. Lemon extract can be added to water and drank over ice or hot to soothe the sore throat as well. Are you getting any value from this video? If yes, you might want to click on the like button and also subscribe for more natural remedies. Salt. Salt will help kill the bacteria causing your sore throat. However, you can't just eat salt and expect it to work. Large consumption of salt can actually make you very ill. It's best not to swallow salt at all. You need to mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt into a cup of hot water. Make sure the water is not scorching, because after mixing it into the water, you are supposed to gargle with it. This will show immediate results. If these remedies do not take care of it, you should go see a doctor.